So good day guys, this is Floyd. I thought I should show you guys my trading analysis from the pair USDZAR, right? So I was looking at my 30-minute chart actually. Right, there we go. As you guys can see, the market has been moving down with this trend line that I drew above the price over here, right? Market decided to break this. Once the market decided to break this trend line over here, it's when I started to actually get a bit worried, right? First of all, it gave us a triple bottom over here, which is a sign of the market being supported over here. So whenever the market comes to this blue area over here, it's showing you that the buyers are interested to buy this currency pair. So now it gave us a triple bottom over there, and then it broke our trend line over there. After it broke our trend line, it gave us a new, this is called a new low, right? This is a higher low. So this low is actually higher than all the lows that we had on this currency pair before. I hope that makes sense, guys. If it makes sense, just jump on your 4-hour chart, on your 1-hour chart. I mean, it's gonna look like something like that. Obviously, I explained what's going on over here. Plus, the price is above the moving average when it broke the trend line and when it gave us the new high. So that's an example, not an example, that's a formation for buying all the way till that side. If you want to confirm it, you can simply jump on your H4 chart. There's my 4-hour chart. Look how it's been moving, obviously been bouncing off from this zones over here. So what I can simply do is that I can shade this whole area in blue for you to see. Look at that area there. So whenever the market comes down to the area, it obviously bounces back up. And once again, been having a lot of fundamentals with our South African government. Obviously people are fighting, blah blah blah. So that actually give us a boost that USDZAR is gonna go up, because it's gonna keep on getting weaker and weaker and weaker, right? So here's my 1-hour chart on USDZAR. It's gonna go up a couple of pips. Beautiful. I'm gonna post the results. I just took the trade now. As you can see, I'm analyzing this pair before it actually moves, right? So I'm hoping you guys are gonna catch this once I also post my trading results from this one. So yeah, thank you guys. That's my not intraday trading, but that's my analysis on USDZAR, and thank you guys so much. USDZAR, guys, the US dollar versus the South African rand, by the way.